guys.
Hey guys, it's Destiny Lachey. Today I have my 4-year-old daughter, Leilani, with me. She's gonna be doing my makeup today. We're gonna go through some of the... Thanks, Lonnie. Thanks for the kisses. But I'm gonna let her go through some of my makeup and she's just gonna choose what she wants to use on me. So these are the bins Leilani has to choose from. I just brought these upstairs from the basement where I film. You want to pick out your primer first?
Yeah.
Say, which primer do you want to use on mommy?
That one.
Okay. You want to do that? Use that one?
Yes.
Say that's the MAC.
That's the MAC.
Okay, so daddy got us a little shopping bag.
Okay.
So this is foundation. That's not foundation, but which one do you want to use?
I like that one.
This one? Okay. Say Maybelline
Maybelline
Fit Me.
Fit Me.
Yep, that's the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Okay, which concealer do you want?
I like that one.
Okay, get it. That one? You like that one?
Mm-hmm.
Say Urban Decay.
Okay.
All right, so put it in your bag.
Okay.
All right. So pick a powder. Which one do you want? That one's out of... I don't know why that one's in there.
I like that one.
You want that powder?
Yeah.
Okay. Say RCMA.
Same day.
So pick an eyeshadow palette. Which one do you like?
I
Like this one?
Yeah.
That one's nice. BH.
BH.
Okay, awesome. Put it in your bag. Which one do you want? This one's highlight.
That one.
Get it. You like that one?
Yeah.
That one's MAC.
Back.
Open it. You like MAC?
Yeah, I'll open it.
You're gonna be an expensive kid. Whoa, that's so pretty. I like that. All right, so now we gotta pick a spray.
It's right.
Yep, which spray do you want?
Take this one.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Okay, get it. What about, that one's kind of hard to spray. You wanna pick another spray?
I like this one.
Okay, get it. You like that one? So Leilani has her bag full of stuff and we're about to go film right now.
Let's do this.
So now we're downstairs. She is ready to start. She's asking for brushes and stuff like that. Are you ready to get started? Are you excited? Oh, you gotta start with primer. Whoa, that's a lot. Ooh, that's cold. Ooh. Oh, good job. I think I need to make an appointment for next week. Can I come next week?
Yeah.
So you can do my makeup?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll squeeze it.
Squeeze it.
Yeah.
Hit me kind of hard there, sis.
Foundation.
All right. So you gonna open it?
I gotta open it.
I wish this was a pump.
A pump.
Oh, yeah, we needed a pump.
It wasn't messy.
Yeah, it's a little messy. Good job. Get it all over.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Here, baby girl.
She calls me baby girl.
What's that noise?
Daddy, probably.
Dad, what are you doing? Alright.
All right, that's it.
That's it.
Okay. Good job.
To the other side. Squeeze.
You're squeezing the water out on my eye?
Blend it.
Blend it out.
Blend it out.
So we're gonna use, say, BH.
pH.
So what brush do you want to use?
I want to use this one.
What color is this?
Red.
Red? Okay.
The red. The red started.
Ooh.
It's pink. I put black and the red.
Okay, black and red.
Green and here pink. That is pretty. Purple.
Okay.
Eyebrow.
Gonna do mommy eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay.
did another one.
You gonna do the other one? I don't know. I'm afraid you're gonna poke me in the eye. Leilani's gonna attempt to do some lashes on me. Okay. Oh, wow. You actually did pretty good, Leilani. It's actually on there.
Do the other side, baby girl.
Oh, wow. She actually got him pretty close. Ouch! Jeez. You hit me right in my chin.
Stuck.
It's stuck. Contour. Contour. Here. Start right here. And then go down. Whoa.
We go up.
Whoa. All right.
Yeah.
Yep, do it on my forehead. All right. You got the concept of contouring.
Let
You
me
just
see your chin.
okay. Oh, oh. All right.
See, baby.
Oh my god. All right. That's fancy and that's expensive. You want to do that? Okay. Ouch. Nope. Here, you want to use a puff?
Yeah.
Here, use a puff. Just put it on the puff. Wow.
Like
Yeah.
white spots
Go ahead, pat it in.
up on my head.
Put it on my forehead. Ow.
I'll do right here. Do that.
Ow. So you have to use that. Go ahead and blend it out.
I'll do your head. Do my cheek. Here.
What color is that?
Red.
I think that's orange.
Open your mouth and off.
Aw.
Dash.
Do you like my mustache?
Oh.
Do I have a mustache? Leilani, you trying to play me?
Mustache.
I don't have a mustache. I shaved it, or I narrowed it not too long ago. Mommy has a mustache?
Yeah. Highlight.
We're gonna do highlight. Ooh, girl, you put it in the right place. You are mommy's daughter.
Oh.
Yeah, spray.
Okay.
Ooh. Thank you, Leilani.
You're welcome.
I look so pretty. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So since we're all done with my makeup, what Leilani loves to do is put on my eyelashes. And I don't put glue on them or anything. I just kind of stick them on her eyes like this. Here.
Oh.
And she literally will wear lashes like this in the house all day without a problem. Leilani, you watching TV? What's that on your eyes?
Eyelashes.
Still popping. No, you don't need any makeup. You look cute with your eyelashes on. You like them? Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Lay down.
Lay down?
Yeah.
You want me to lay on you? You want me to lay on you? Okay. Love you.
Close your eyes.
Okay. She thinks she's the mom.